And just a heads up, by the way, for you, TK, you are live right now if you wanted to say anything to the fans watching.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoying this. It's my first time. I got this sim 4, 6, 7 days ago. I'm actually nervous. And this tough times, I hope you guys are, we bring some entertainment to you guys' lives. Hopefully we'll come out better people. And let's go racing. Let's see what's gonna happen here.
Well, my pit box is at a different place.
You passed tech. Rocket gave you the thumbs up. Should be good to go here. The session is 10 minutes in length. You only get 2 laps.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm nervous, man. Are you taking control of my life?
If you need me to.
I'm
there
nervous.
You go.
Green flag, green
Green,
flag.
green, 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 green.
Oh, great.
It's all good. It's all good here. Just let him go. Okay, go. Hey.
Whoa, what the hell, man?
See if you can limp her back. What are you doing?
You good.
Holy shit, that was crazy. Oh, Ryan. Jesus.
Good job.
Oh,
Heard about you. They've all got down me.
Collect me, boys.
There you go. He's continuing. He's trying.
Right. Go for it, buddy.
Probably Demon said, oh, it's McLaughlin. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Turn. Yeah, f it.
Yeah, you don't care
Got
about
four wheels.
damage. All right, it's on the inside.
Upper position.
That was Ray Hall.
Okay.
That's the position, yeah.
Up on the fence.
Let's pit this lap.
Okay, put in a slap. Shit, got a little long on that one. Go, you f***ing thing. Whoa, I hate this car.
That's Zach. Hopefully you get him. Yeah, he's letting you through.
Thank you.
Zach. Go.
Speed tests.
He got too close to you.
Zach, f*** off.
Zach, what the he is?
Oh my god. Where did we end up on this?
11, buddy. Good job. I mean to say you had 2 offs.
Hey, Dalton, it's Wheeler, man. Great effort today.
Thanks.
That was that last one was obviously not your fault. But you put in a great drive there. Good job.
Thanks. Oh boy, I'm just doing donuts.